Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my friend. We are from first group, second group. First group we will explain how to make chocolate Before we start to make that, we will introduce ourselves. Okay, my name is Nafati Dasyara.
My name is Upamaya. My name is Martina. And my name is Maria Fabiani.
How to make chocolate. Material and ingredients. First, 2 spoons of sugar, 1 sachet of chocolate, hot water, a cup, a spoon, 1 of knife, and 1 sachet of lime. First, prepare 2 spoons of sugar, a cup, hot water, and 1 sachet of chocolate. So, add 1 sachet of chocolate into the cup.
Ada bawang merah. Bombay.
And pack also 1 sachet of lime. Pour some hot water into the cup. Add 2 spoons of sugar into a cup of chocolate. Stir it well and the hot chocolate drink is ready to drink.
Apa tuh, Sat?
Fruit ice, material and ingredients. The second row. Material.
We will explain how to make fruit ice. Material and ingredients. First, 4 grains of grape, 2 of candle ice, a cup. Procedure. First, put 4 grains of grape into a cup. Pour 2 of candle ice into a cup.
Kaidah mantap.
Stir it well and the fruit ice is ready to drink. Thanks to your attention, so we say as